All right, I'm here with the new Entegrity Deadbolt. You can hear that right now it's just in a constant reboot with that beeping, and that's because the batteries are too low. So to get around this, we have the feature built in where you can see these two little dots right above the outside thumb turn. They are for use with a 9-volt battery. So we're going to connect this negative terminal, which is the one that's flared out, so that it's facing to the right. So we'll connect it here. You can hear the beeping has stopped. You can see the button is now green. I'm going to tap it. It's now provided the power that it's going to let me open that deadbolt and get inside. Then at this point, we would obviously suggest that you go ahead and replace these batteries with ones that are good.